National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sampson County in central North Carolina, southeastern Harnett County in central North Carolina, central Cumberland County in central North Carolina, southwestern Johnston County in central North Carolina, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Godwin to 9 miles north of Jerome to near White Oak, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This storm has a history of producing 51 miles per hour winds at Fayetteville Regional Airport. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Clinton, Dunn, Benson, Godwin, Irwin, Eastover, Roseboro, Stedman, and Newton Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly.
Yeah, the reason you don't see nothing on the screen is because I'm running on batteries, and the batteries are weak. And the power is out, so I don't have it hooked up to any power, but the batteries. So I don't know when you're going to see this video.
This is your weekly NOAA weather radio test. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn you of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted on every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide you the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings and watches affecting the following transmitters. For the listening area of NOAA Weather Radio WXK90, playing on a frequency of 162.450 MHz, located on the Educational Television Tower at Churraw State Park in Chesterfield County. The counties are as follows. In South Carolina, Chesterfield, Darlington, Lee, and Marlboro. The counties in North Carolina are as follows: Anson, Richmond, and Scotland. This concludes this week's warning alarm test. This was only a test. We will now return you to your normal programming. At Lumberton, the flood stage is 13 feet. The 7 a.m. stage is 7.88 feet. The river level has increased.
Yep, there it go. There it go. There it go. We finna get this.
In Wilmington, North Carolina. The signal was a test of weather radio station WXJ22's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in north-central South Carolina: Chesterfield, Clarendon, Darlington, Dillon, Florence, Kershaw, Lee, Marion, Marlboro, Sumter, and Williamsburg. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio public warning alarm system. We now return you to the normal program schedule. This morning's river summary on the Lumber River.
We did it, y'all. We freaking did it. Number 8. Number freaking 8.
The
We
river
did
level
it.
has increased 0.33 feet.
Thank y'all for
24
sticking
hours.
around. Like the
At
video.
Wilford, the flood stage is 13 feet. 5 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Brownsville, or 13 miles south of Bennettsville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dillon, Latta, Sellers, Bingham, Brownsville, Oak Grove, Blue Brick, and Blenheim. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement.
Got it. Got it. SBR.
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday night, clear.
Oh,
Lows
here
in
it
the
is.
upper 50s. Saturday through Sunday.
Oh, there they go. They're testing. It's 11:01. I'm using a different station.
This is NOAA's National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL-50 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Columbus, Cumberland, Duplin, Harnett, Hoke, Moore, Robeson, Sampson, and Scotland, and in South Carolina for Marlborough and Dillon counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return you to the normal program schedule. And now taking a look at the forecast for the local